Hello friends, I hope you're keeping well. Today, I'm going to dive into some of the myths surrounding carbon dioxide and its impact on our planet. You might have heard a lot about CO2 and global warming, but let's break it down and look at the facts. First off, let's talk about the claim that CO2 is the control knob of global temperature. Many people believe that carbon dioxide is the main driver behind climate change. However, the historical data tells a different story. Over the Earth's long history, CO2 and temperature have often been out of sync. This means that CO2 levels and temperature do not always rise and fall together. In fact, if we look at the past 570 million years, we see that CO2 and temperature have only been in sync for a small fraction of that time. This casts doubt on the idea that CO2 is the primary cause of global warming. Now let's clear up a common misconception. Carbon dioxide is not a pollutant. It's actually essential for life on Earth. CO2 makes up just 0.04% of our atmosphere, but it's crucial for the growth of plants and the production of oxygen. All life on Earth is carbon-based, and that carbon comes from CO2 in the atmosphere. Here's an interesting fact. The fossil fuels we burn for energy today, like coal, oil, and natural gas, were once part of the Earth's atmosphere as carbon dioxide. These fuels were formed from ancient plankton and plants that absorbed CO2 and were buried and transformed over millions of years. So, in a way, fossil fuels are 100% organic and were created using solar energy. But why is there such a strong push to move away from carbon-based fuels? Some argue that it's all about money and power. Organizations like the World Economic Forum and the United Nations, as well as many governments, are promoting a switch to renewable energy sources. Critics say this agenda is driven by financial interests and the desire for control. However, it's important to look at the bigger picture. Fossil fuels are 100% organic and were produced with solar energy. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and transitioning to cleaner energy sources is impoverishing and destroying our economy and well-being. Oil has produced our longevity, our prosperity, and our personal freedom. Is that evil? The answer is, apparently so. Don't be deceived. So what's the takeaway here? Carbon dioxide is an essential part of our planet's ecosystem, and its role in climate change is zero. It's important to question the narratives we hear and to seek out reliable information. The true motive for the switch away from carbon-based fuels is the usual motive for corrupt governments: greed and power. By understanding the science behind CO2 and climate change, we can make more informed decisions about our energy and future. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time. Peace be unto you.